Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. Hope you're having a blessed and wonderful Monday morning. Hey, if you're new to the page, go ahead and hit the like, subscribe, and the notification bell. That'll be down to your lower right-hand corner. How you guys doing this morning? I'm playing with these. I just upgraded the system, so if you see me going bam, 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 that's what I'm just trying to make sure everything is working. How y'all doing this morning? How's it going this morning? So there's a lot going on with the market. It is a little flattish right now. The pre-markets are just flat. And I didn't expect it to be as red as the last 3 days. I expect the bulls will fight a little bit for the market today, but only time will tell. Back, 10 years ago in 2021 and 10 years ago in 2021, we can predict these things really easy. But right now, nothing makes any kind of sense, really. Hey, how you doing this morning? Hey, I was looking at Meet Kevin a little earlier today, and I'm going to end this one right into closing bell. What time we have? Okay, so I was looking at Meet Kevin this morning, and I was looking at this video, right? He's about to spend $13 million on a plane, right? I ain't in that tax bracket, y'all. But, I am building this media company out, and I am spending a lot of money in my set, and I'm spending even more money because I want to serve you guys in the highest possible visually and audibly as I can. But let's talk about tax write-offs. I know people go, that's boring. There's a reason why he's doing a $13 million purchase. He's going to be able to write it off, all off. Either he makes the purchase or he gives that money to the government. Myself, I did not want to make any major purchases. I mean, I'm still in the same house. You guys know I still shop at Ross right now. Not to say that I don't like nice things. It's just that I'm saving all of my money for 2023. And so I really don't like spending any money right now. But I'm making a purchase. I'm making a major purchase on a vehicle. And met with my accountant, and I need a tax write-off to a certain number. Nothing even close. My purchase won't pay taxes on Meet Kevin's purchase, but it's still a major purchase. And what we have to understand is, I suggest you guys meet with your accountants, because either I spend this money and it has to be for the business. So I'm going to make an automobile purchase for my business, but I absolutely get to, let's say I make a $100,000 purchase, right? Either I make it, I'm just using a loose number, right? Either I make this purchase or I give that $100,000 to the government in taxes, right? And so I'm imploring you guys to be on your taxes. And then let's talk about tax loss harvesting. If you've killed the market this year, which you will be a rarity, and you have some stock that you're lost in, you need to, or you can be selective, sell the stock that you have a loss in, and you have until the last trading day, not the last day of the year, the last trading day, to offset your gains, because you will pay capital gains tax. But if you've been losing, loss, then you don't have to worry about it, right? So if you are positive for the year and you want to offset those gains, look at the stock that you are negative on and think about selling some of those to offset some of your winnings. That's called tax loss harvesting. Tax loss harvesting, okay? So that's what we want to look at, good people. Just went to... Hey. That's it. It's a good time to start. $1 Million cup of coffee. Just take. I'm going to continue to do that. He seems super salty recently. Yeah, I don't get into that. I don't get into that. Good morning, mommy trader. Good morning. Hey, good morning, Miss Matthews. I couldn't see your first name. It was buried. Now I see it. Good morning. Good morning. Baton Rouge. Man, I need some gumbo right now, man. I need some good gumbo. I tried some canned stuff the other day, and man, and I've been down there to Nowlands, and I've had some good gumbo. All right. So we do know also too, we got 2 minutes. Listen, let's talk about PE ratios. All right. PE ratios will come down. And we know, for those of you that know, that 15 is a good PE ratio, price to earnings. But in a deep recession, you don't want to just look for companies that have an average PE of 15, because they're going to be going even lower. So future earnings for these companies, their projections are going to start to drop. We are going into a earnings recession. You're going to hear that a lot if you haven't already heard it. And so what that means is we have to look for companies with below average PE ratios, because they are going to get lowered, right? And so that's what we want to look at. We want to start looking at companies because they will become oversold. And that's what we're going to look at. And we're going to start buying, not loading up. You haven't heard me use the term load up this entire year, because it hasn't been a year to entirely load up. So now we have to be very selective stock pickers, right? So let's see what they're talking about right here, because we're finna go on the opening bell. Let me pull this up, then we'll talk.
All right, welcome back. Of course, we get an opening bell about a minute and a half from now. We've talked a bit about a change in futures as a result of Mike Wilson, the very well-followed strategist at Morgan Stanley, who talks about earnings outlook deteriorating and further comparisons to August of 2008, not from a systemic concern, but more just from a market that is underestimating the damage from the Fed, in this case, to what it will mean for the ability of companies to earn as much as perhaps they thought they would in 2023, and all the uncertainty, of course, that comes along with that.
I think the Fed should play for time, because if you're a CEO, you're really hesitant to fire people this week or next week, the holiday week. You do it in January. So I think that these negative pieces are not taking into account that there could be a culling. The weaker go, the stronger get stronger. Hence Costco today, strong.
Right. Looking forward to asking Dylan about those things, Jim. Of course, as we wait for an opening bell here, let's actually get to it. You can take a look at the real-time exchange to see if we end up with more green on that board. And we get an opening bell right now. We're at the big board, by the way. Cabinet manufacturer, master brand, celebrating its separation. And Fortune brand. Over at the NASDAQ, it's the Association of Foreign Press Correspondents in the United States doing the honors. Where do you want to start, Jim?
Fortune Brands has made a lot of money for people. Remember, that's the endless breakup. Endless breakup, right? I mean, right down from Jim Beam.
Fortune Brands, yes. Yeah. Yes, a lot of different, right, exactly. Jim Beam.
I mean, it was the ultimate deconglomerization, I guess.
Yeah, we could see pretty flat. Hey, good people, listen. Miss Dee, I believe it was you that left a message that asked, is 40 too old? Let me know if that was you. If 40 is too old to build generational wealth. And I want to tell you that no, 40 is a perfect age. 50 is a perfect age. If you're 60, you still can retire a millionaire. You still can retire with your house paid off and your bills paid off. But the older you are, the more aggressive you have to be in your investing. And what you want to start doing is decrease your spend and increase your investing. I'm not going to say save, but investing. And so 40 is a great age. As a matter of fact, I saw Mommy Trader on here. Mommy Trader is a mom. She has a special needs child, and she in 8 years did a great job, because all you really need is a made up mind. Hey, Mommy Trader, if you're here, there we go. Mommy Trader, listen, I might drop you an email and have you join me on a morning live, because I want you to help the family to see that an average person with a made up mind can do it. So I'm gonna have my assistant. My assistant is my wife, so I don't want to be like flexing like I got 15 people watching, working for me rather. So I'm gonna have my assistant contact you, and I'm gonna charge you, Mommy Trader. I'm gonna charge you to be an example and show that average people like you and me and Day Day, Jose, and all of, us normal people from the dirt, how we could do this thing, and we could make money, and we could live good lives and be debt free and have no bills and pay off our houses and be able to retire early. These are some of the things that we want to talk about. So let's see if we can make this happen tomorrow morning, Mommy Trader. Yep. I've cut. Look at 8. Listen, good people. Look at this. She's cut $800 in unnecessary monthly costs. $800. Now, my charge to you, DD, is to invest that $800. Okay, and then, DD, if we could get you. If we could add another $200 onto that, we don't even have to add $200 onto that. We can just invest $500 a month. But I'm charging you at 40 to let's get another $200 a month. And if you can invest $1,000 a month and starting in a deep recession, Dee, you're going to kill it. You're going to kill it, Dee. You're a single mother, and a lot of you guys across the world are the same way. My screen is black. You guys let me know if you can see me. I can see everything good. Yep. Okay, Mommy Trader. So listen, we're going to come live tomorrow. Mommy Trader, I'm going to send you a link. We're just going to answer some straight up questions for the good people. And I'm going to say, hey, what happened? I already know her story. She got an eviction notice. I want you to talk about that. Go right to it. Then I'm going to say, what was your first trade? How did you learn about this? What did you do? We just want to help the people, and I want them to show how you turned everything around. And then I want you to tell people how much your portfolio is worth. Because she shares this stuff. So I want you guys to do that. You guys join us tomorrow morning. This is what we're going to do. All right. Hey, good morning. Because it will help. Yep. Look at that. Micah. I got a Michael Jones. Micah started at 47. Right. This is doable. Okay. That's the goal. All right. Hey, when should I? Okay, so tomorrow morning, I want you guys to join me back here tomorrow morning. I'm going to set it up with Mommy Trader. I'm going to have her come on live, and we just going to deal with this. We're not going to be in a rush. We're going to deal with this because right now is the absolute best time to start getting ready for 2023. Whether we have a recession or not, whether we go on a bull run or not, now's the time. Don't wait for January 1st, all right? Let's get going right now. This is going to be life-changing for most of you that are listening to me, okay? So we're going to leave it right there, good people. I don't want this one to be long. I'll see you again later on today. Join us here tomorrow, all right? Yep. You're so welcome. That's what we're here for. Yeah, I like, building my company and all of this, but what good is it if I'm not effectively helping you guys? All right. Effectively helping you guys. All right. So look at here. Started at 50. Look at that. Willie, 25. Willie, you gonna kill it, man. Yep. You gonna kill it. You gonna kill it. At 25, if I knew what I knew now at the age of 25, please. All right. Hey, we're going to be excited about 2023. Yeah, we know it's hard times coming, but we're going to be excited about the opportunity that we are going to have to truly create generational wealth, because it's here. This year is done. We are already into 2023, good people. So I'm going to leave it right there. Hey, set your clocks, set everything. I will let you guys know. Just come and check the page. Let me work it out. See, we're going to try to be on a little earlier, at least by 8, if not 7:30. We'll work that out. And I believe that a lot of you guys, look at that, started at 25. A lot of you guys will be helped. Look at this. Started at 66. Come on, Marvin Dukes. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Man, you 34. Let's do it. You see all these good people that started their journey. Look at that. Look at that. Yup. And look, she has her 16-year-old. I met her 16-year-old. That's what I like about Mommy Trader. Mommy Trader got on a plane, came to a conference where I was speaking, and brought her daughter. This is what we got to do for our kids, good family. We got to expose them to this early. If you expose your children to this and not just housewives of whatever, fighting and all of this junk, consuming just on TikTok all day, I can guarantee you may think that your children don't know much. They will absorb more of this than you will. And then you're just giving them a gift that's going to keep on giving, because they're going to be building generational wealth. I just came on to talking to the closing bell, good people. I didn't expect all of this, but hey, this is going to be cool. This is really going to be cool. So join me here tomorrow, all right? Then make sure you guys get this free stuff. Get this free stuff. Look at this. Look, make sure you download Webull. Do that today. Fund it. They may call you and ask you some questions and make sure it's you. Get the 20 free stock or 10 free stock with $100, and then download, that's Moo, and then download Webull and get I think it's like 15 other stock. So get like 20 free stock for like $200. Even if you don't even use the platform, just download it, get the free stuff. But we are going to be using these platforms, okay? But just get the free stuff, get the free stock, give it time to clear, get the free stock. And then we're going to help you guys make both of these portfolios green. All right, good people, that's what we want to do. All right. Hey, we'll see you later on today. And then after that, we're going to hook up with Mommy Trader. We're going to see you guys tomorrow. I'm telling you, this is going to be some life-changing, very basic, easy to understand information. Live, love, laugh, and learn. Have a blessed day.